even in paper or what?
When I was in the regional office, isa yan sa mga priority plans natin na talagang...
Subong, is this being picked up, sir, by the regional office in Guimaras Integrated? Wala pa man. Okay. Sige. Anyway, hopefully, ma-realize. Basta, sir, sa imo nga pag labi, pwede na siya ma-realize and you will have another award. Okay. Anyway, sa San Carlos naman, sir, ang challenge nga you're pursuing and you want to answer, no, kag ang mga improvements nga you're
yes,
planning?
Actually, San Carlos, I would like to take this opportunity also to thank our Mayor, Gerardo P. Balmayor in San Carlos City. And also, ma'am, yung mga, it was already approved according to our Mayor, our good Mayor, yung request ko for secondary perimeter fence.
Okay.
So, and hopefully yung additional cells. So,
dako man ang imo nga area, sir?
Mga ano lang siya, ma'am, mga 1.2 lang siya, ma'am, hindi siya abot ng isang ano. So, medyo maliit lang siya, ma'am, pero kahit papaano, ma'am, kahit papaano maganda rin siya sa ano. So also nagre-request tayo sa mayor, and then yun nga, ma'am, sa San Carlos kasi nandyan yung talagang full support sila pagdating sa inmates natin. So they provide everything, ma'am. Start from yung mga supplies, gasolines para sa preso namin. So ngayon ang wino-workout namin, ma'am, is yung secondary perimeter fence. So provided by the local also. And to inform you also, ma'am, na yung San Carlos City also provided 3.5 million budget last 2010 ata yun, ma'am, for the construction of that admin building ng San Carlos. So marami nang nabigay sila, and then hopefully mag-continue. And then ma-maintain natin yung trust and confidence na binibigay nila. And also from the regional office, ma-maintain natin yung credibility ng San Carlos City Jail.
Okay. I think those are very good plans. So kung makita natin ang dynamism of our units and of our wardens. So we congratulate you for the efforts and for the winning, no, of being recognized as unit awardees for the best district jail, best city jail, and best municipal jail. Congratulations, sir. Now, can we have rejoinders from yes, umauna na lang ako sa kay Senior Regional Executive Senior Jail Officer, sir, please.
In behalf sa BGMP, nagapasalamat gid kami kag ako nga sa pag-imbitar sa nga maging part sang imong programa sa bungon.
It's a pleasure, sir. Come again. Sir, sa Buena Vista, I'd like to look at that jail one of these days.
In behalf of Buena Vista Municipal Jail, ma'am, thank you very much for this opportunity, for inviting us to guest to your program this day. Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat man, sir, and congratulations all the time. Yes, sir, from San Carlos.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to invite you, ma'am, to visit our jails, our jail in San Carlos City. And also I would like to thank all of you, ma'am, for inviting me here to showcase what is really in San Carlos City Jail, what is our activity. And thank you very much, ma'am. No?
You are welcome, sir.
Yun lang po, ma'am.
Salamat. I hope, no, although we have a PIA in Negros Occidental, which you can invite, sir, perhaps, and then visit.
Yes, ma'am.
Alam ni sir yun. They have contacts already.
Lahat po, ma'am, welcome, ma'am, dun sa San Carlos.
I will try.
Yes,
although malayo yan, I will try. I will try. Okay. Yes, sir. Chief Inspector Peremne.
Since the Jails in Action program natin for more than a year, today lang natin na-discover na ito talaga yung parang living legacy talaga ng SILG Robredo. So, yung request ng BGMP sa PIA siguro and for the Cable Star to support this program na makontinue natin.
Of course.
This is one way or another na ma-showcase ng BGMP talaga yung mga activity, programs and projects, line of activities, ano man yung mga updates, ano man yung mga accomplishments as required talaga ng SILG natin.
Okay.
So for the public, while we have this program, Jails in Actions, supported also by the regional BJMP and even the national headquarters. Please support also Jails in Actions, and please watch every month as we have this episode and bring you all the accomplishments we have.
Okay, thank you sir for all time, as long as ang partnership siguro sa Cable Star kasi ang Philippine Information Agency ara pa naga-exist, no? Even if some of us will be retiring, then at least bisan ara pa man ang cable, this will continue because this is a good program. Now, thank you very much, and I would like to congratulate the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, especially our unit awardees, San Carlos and Buena Vista, who are here with us. Warden of San Carlos City Jail, Jail Senior Inspector Castle Masip. I will not forget that name. Castillo, okay. And then, of course, Senior Jail Officer for Efren Bersamina. Sir, salamat gid and congratulations. And to SJO4 Eduardo Benares, sir, we'll have you again. And Chief Inspector Peremne. Thank you very much for networking with us. Si Elsa Subong sang PIA, upod ang Cable Star Incorporated.
Ang komunidad nga nakahibalo kag may ihibalo amo ang kusog kag kalag sang isa ka pungsod. Sa paglumpag naton sang kaimulon, sa pagpabakod sang moral standards sang panghimanwa, sa pagpabago sang dagway sang pamulitika sang pungsod. Ang komunikasyon kag impormasyon amo ang nagaserbe nga tulay. Ini ang sagsaran sang Community Communications Network.